Meaning of Hasidic.
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 Hasidic. The term Hasidic refers to a branch of Orthodox Judaism that originated in the 18th century. Hasidic Jews follow the teachings of Jewish mysticism and place a strong emphasis on prayer, joy, and spirituality. They are known for their distinctive clothing, which includes black hats and coats, as well as their traditional way of life. Hasidic communities can be found in many parts of the world, with concentrations in Israel, the United States, and Europe. The Hasidic movement continues to be an important part of the Jewish faith, cherished by those who seek a deeper connection to God.